Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to improve your typing speed and type faster. Typing is a skill that is required in today's world. In the past, this skill was not necessary because computers were not as advanced and people did not need to type as much. However, now that we are so reliant on computers and technology, it has become necessary for everyone to learn how to type properly. There are many ways that one can learn how to type properly. One of the most common ways is through typing exercises. These exercises teach you the proper way to use your fingers when typing and also help you develop your muscle memory so that you will be able to type without looking at the keyboard. There are many different types of typing exercises out there for people of all ages and skill sets. We will go over some of the most popular ones in this video so that you will know what kind of typing exercise might be best for you. 2 fast and effective ways to increase your word per minute. This video is going to teach you 2 fast and easy ways to increase your typing speed. The first tip is to take a break after every 30 minutes of typing. It's important because it will help you avoid carpal tunnel syndrome, which can be caused by excessive typing. The second tip is learning how to type without looking at the keyboard. This will allow you to type faster, as well as prevent unnecessary eye strain and neck pain. 4 easy typing techniques for beginners. With the help of these 4 easy typing techniques, anyone can learn how to type at least 20 words per minute. 1. Use 2 fingers for the most common letters. The first 2 fingers of your hands are all you need to type the most common letters in English. This is because they are closest to each other on the keyboard. 2. Use 3 fingers for less common letters. If you have trouble typing with just 2 fingers, try using 3 instead. This will allow you to type some of the less common letters with ease. 3. Type as if you're writing in cursive. When it comes to typing, it's best not to think about individual keys and instead think about words as a whole. Typing should be fluid and natural sounding like when you write in cursive. 4. Practice makes perfect. The more time you spend practicing your typing skills, the better you'll become at it.